Okay, I'm a typical librarian. I wear glasses, I love to stay up late reading, and I absolutely love cats. How did this start, you ask? Well, that's a valid question. I would have answered that it was because of my experiences when I was young with my cat-loving mom and my childhood time of being surrounded by cats. However, today, after learning about my birth mother, I'd give an entirely different answer. I was adopted at birth, and my adoptive mom, Karen, like her mother before her, was a dedicated cat-loving person. I can vividly remember her teaching me at a very young age how to gently hold a tiny kitten. She told me, "Don't squeeze too tightly, or you could hurt the kitty, or it might throw up." I remember her crying when her favorite cat died. Then a week later, my dad came home with a box of new kittens as a surprise, and this delighted her. I also grew up with cats on our family farm. We had generations of cats who hunted for mice in the fields and in the barns. Year after year, I watched new batches of kittens be born, and I love their purring and playfulness and all those traits about cats that make them cats. We even had a couple that we had in the house that snuggled with me on the couch and slept at the foot of my bed. I got attached to them and cried just like my adoptive mom Karen had when something bad had happened to one of her precious felines. My second mom, Candy, also liked cats, and she has supported my cat addiction for over 40 years now. However, that adoption thing may have also had a part in me liking cats. I recently got in contact with my birth family, and I found out that my birth mother, Barbara, also loved cats. Whoa! Oh no! This new fact may give the exact reason why I'm a little over the top when it comes to loving cats. This might explain why, out of the 5 children in my family, I was the one who became known as the crazy cat lady. Yes, I'm the one who has cat-themed decor, clothing, and jewelry. And, I think that's pretty awesome. Some people feel that the way a person is raised is what shapes the person, and others believe that this is all decided genetically. In my years of life, I've seen children who are complete opposites of their parents, and I've seen people that fit the like mother, like daughter description. I guess I felt that it was a blend of experiences and genetics. But now, I think I have reached an amazing scientific conclusion, or at least something that could be studied. I think I found the recipe on how to create a crazy cat lady. I mean, it sounds pretty reasonable to me, and I'm sure that Karen, Candy, and Barbara would perfectly agree with me. How about you?